So today I'm decorating my room for Christmas, which I've already done, as you can kind of tell. I am using those DIY Christmas decorations that I made in a couple videos ago, I think it was. So if you want to see how and where I use those, which you can see 2 of them right now and part of one, then stay tuned. If this is your first time seeing my face, my name is Katie, and I hope you subscribe. You don't have to, but it'd be cool. And that's all that I have to say, so let's get started with the decorating. Lost a push pin in my bed. If you need someone to decorate your house, hit me up. I'm like HGTV except better, so. Okay, so I just wanted to show you what I ended up doing all over my room. I added a red blanket on my bed just to like make it a little more Christmassy because my bedspread is leopard print. But I have that little Yule log thing playing. But I changed this shelf right here and moved the reindeer But I just thought that was funny and it looked cuter here. I have to get some batteries for my little fake candles, so that's why those aren't on right now. But then I just put that stick thing with ornaments hanging right there, and then there's that reindeer. I want to get some more stuff to put on here. I took my Tennessee sticker down. I'm not from Tennessee, just in case you guys were wondering. And then right here, sorry, my coffee's there. I just put some of those candles there along with some garland on my little change jar. This isn't that crazy right here, but it's a little bit more festive than usual. So then on top of my dresser, I put my little Christmas tree. It's just 4 feet tall and it's obviously little. I just think it looks good right here. I took down that mirror that was behind it. It's pretty simple. I just stuck with the red and gold theme that I usually always do. I think it's cute and it just makes my room a little festive. And I have these Christmas lights around my room. And I almost forgot. I was debating where to put this. I thought I was gonna put it in my room, but I just went ahead and put this wreath that I made in my DIY Christmas video on my door. If you want to check that out, I'll have it linked somewhere down below. So that's all that I did to decorate my room. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful if you haven't decorated yours yet. If you have any video requests, leave them down below, like any Vlogmas ideas. I think that's about all that I have to say, and I will see you guys tomorrow.